Guys, in terms of sectors, everything green. VIX almost back to 35. Let's get to Bob Bassani. Hey, Bob.
Happy Tuesday, everybody, and happy Election Day. Great start to the day. We have almost a 90% upside day. We had two 90% downside days, or close to it last week, close to a 90% upside day at the open, and we'll see how that goes. And there's one trend, there's a couple trends been developing in the last few days, but one is still that belief in the stimulus idea. And you can see this small caps continuing to outperform large cap stocks, cyclicals like transports and industrials continuing to outperform more defensive sectors, and tech generally underperforming. This is all indicative of continuing belief in stimulus. You may think it's a mirage or not. The market apparently does not here. And you can see the stimulus play overall. I'm not just talking about today. If you put up since October 1st, small caps have tended to outperform. They're up about 5% for since October 1st. A small sector of alternative energy is continuing to do very well. Solar stocks have had a great run here. Metals and mining, strong. Value is, believe it or not, flattish, but that's better than growth, which has been slightly down since the beginning of October here. So all this, again, indicative of a little bit of a stimulus play here. Infrastructure stocks like Fluor and Martin Marietta have been doing really well. The other major trend is they just don't care about tech earnings or even good tech earnings. You look today at Skyworks, had terrific numbers overall. It's trading down, surprisingly. PayPal, they beat every analyst estimate. Now, yes, the revenue guidance for the fourth quarter about in line with expectations. People consider that disappointing now. So PayPal's trading down, but PayPal is way, way down. PayPal was 210, 212 back in the beginning of our earnings season. Look at that. We're down 20% since there. So if you look at the tech trends and what's going on right now, fundamentals have been very strong. The numbers have been great. We've had big earnings beat. If you put up that full screen here, and it's been sell the news on earnings. That's been the story since the beginning of tech season, October 12th, since the beginning of earnings season. And if you look at all the big names, they all beat. They all did well. Only Google is trading above where it was since it started here. Everything else, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, and Netflix, and it doesn't matter. You go down the list there. You can look at Shopify. You can look at Spotify. These companies that all beat, heaven help you if you didn't beat. There's SAP. That's down 28% since its earnings. My point is, beat, you still sell on the news. Don't beat, you're in trouble, like SAP here. And tech has been lagging overall, and I'm not picking on any of the mega cap names. If you just look at the S&P 500, down 6% since earnings season started. But tech's been down 10%, the semiconductor's down 8%, software's down about 9%. Tech in general has been sell on the news. That's the other major trend we've seen in the last couple of weeks.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.